Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP Envy 5000 series, and now I'm going to show you how to load paper. To load paper, firstly you need to open paper tray. It's very easy to do. Firstly you need to press on paper tray and pull it out. You can pull it out, and here as you can see I have the paper cards in A4 size. We can insert different sizes of paper. So here we have these plastic elements that can change the size of printing paper. For example, if I have A5 card, so now I can create A5 from A4. Okay, as you can see here I have A5 card, and if I want to use A5 cards, I just need to make it in this way. And of course we should leave a little space for our card, and that's it. Now my printer will print on A5 cards, and as you can see, it automatically detected that now I have a different type of paper, not A4 but different one. It detected the letter size, so maybe it's really letter size, not A5, because I just slammed the A4 paper. So and okay, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.